Hello, today is September 24th. Don't forget you have an extra credit assignment here. You'll also have this link changed to today's date. And then we're going to click down here on September 24th. Today's goal is to take your attendance here. We're also going to look at combining like terms again. This video will be posted here. The joke of the day, quote of the day. Here's your assignment. Let's take a look at today's lesson.
Today we're going to pick up where we left off yesterday, and we're going to talk about combining like terms. So the first step in these types of problems is to combine the like terms. Remember, like terms are either numbers that are just numbers, or they are numbers that have variables. So in this case, k and negative 3k are like terms. Also remember from last time that whenever you combine like terms, you're actually adding. Don't forget that there's a 1 right here. So 1 plus negative 3 is going to equal negative 2. You can use a calculator. The k just comes with it. Equal sign. And it's the negative 6 drops down. The next step from this point is normally I would look for addition or subtraction to get rid of, but there isn't any in this case. So the last step for this one is to do the inverse of multiplication. And so it says times negative 2 times k, so to undo that, I'm going to divide by negative 2. The negative 2's cancel. K is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. And that would be your final answer. Looking at number 6, we've got 3m and 2m. So 2 plus 3 is 5. It's equal to negative 15. And that step was called combining like terms, or you can write it out as combine. The next step after this would be to do the inverse of multiplication because there is no addition. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And so the 5's cancel. M comes down. Negative 15 divided by positive 5 is negative 3. That would be your final answer. Now I do want to look at one like number 10 here. In this case, you have x and 8x that are like terms. Don't forget that there's a 1 here, so our first step is going to be to combine your terms. So 1 plus 8 is 9x. Plus 7 comes down, and it's equal to negative 2. So all I've done is I've taken these two and I added them together. And so now that I've got that done, my next step would be to do the inverse of addition. And so minus 7 on both sides. 9x drops down. The 7's cancel. Negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. My third and final step is to do the inverse of multiplication. And so I'm going to divide by 9 on both sides. 9 divided by 9 is x, or it's going to cancel. And then negative 9 divided by 9 is negative 1. And that would be your final answer. Take your time on these problems. You have 5 will do for today.